Hey guys, welcome on today's video. I'm Tim. I'm the founder of Galaxy Agency. So today I'm gonna talk you through about the ACOS and the TACOS, what it stand for. So ACOS over here stand for advertising cost of sales. The formula of the ACOS is that ACOS equal ad spend divided by ad revenue multiplied to 100. So the ACOS tells you how much you are spending ads to make $1 of sales. And the lower ACOS generally mean more efficient ads. So you are spending less to make more. For example, let me tell you, for example, you spend $2,000 on advertising spending and you generate 5,000 in sales. So the ACOS gonna be 2,000 divided by 5,000, total multiplied by 100 equal 40%. So usually the ACOS, efficient ACOS is generating about 30% or maybe less. So what is the TACOS? TACOS stands for total advertising cost of sales. And the formula is that the TACOS equal to ad spend divided by the total revenue. You have to say the total revenue mean here is not the advertising revenue, but your whole store revenue, which is ads revenue plus with the organic revenue, and all of it multiplied by 100. So the TACOS, what does it tell you? The TACOS tell you how your ad spend contribute your overall business revenues. It is because you have to look at it the advertising spend is your business cost. So it is your ad spend usually spent on advertising only, or it's just a small part of the total revenue? So it will have to see a bigger picture, including organic sales growth driven by advertising. For example, if you spend $2,000 on advertising and your total revenue, including both advertising revenue and organics, are 10,000. So the TACOS is about 2,000 divided by 10,000. All of it multiplied with 100 equal 20%. And in my experience, the really good TACOS about under 10% or maybe under 15%. So you should optimize your brand under the TACOS under 15%. That's all. Let me know if you want to help on growing your Amazon account. I put my LinkedIn down below here in my videos, so feel free to reach out to me through LinkedIn. See you on the next video. Bye.